It is a beautiful morning here at Rifle Falls State Park. Yes, we're back here again. I want to go into some of the caves a little deeper if I can. But it's mid-60s and just a beautiful day. So let's go exploring. You can feel the mist even back here coming off the falls. And it is a cool mist. And I'm sure Nancy and we will get a lot closer. The caves are over on that side. We're going to go over on this side first and go actually to that overlook there behind the falls. All right, so we're going to get right up close to the falls. The camera is going to get a little wet, but that's okay. So here we go, and yes, there's definitely more water than there was last year when we were here. There's a rainbow right there. And I am getting very, very wet right now from the mist being thrown off the falls. All right, we're going to go into this cave here. Oh, it is cold in here. Let's see what we can find in here. I've got my headlamp on that Nancy bought me at Christmas time, and it seems to be lighting up things really well. Gotta watch where I step. Right, there's a little downward step there, but you can see it lights up really good. You coming in?
Yeah, I'm a little bit scared.
You weren't scared last year.
Oh, well, I don't know.
Yeah. But you can see how well this lights up. It is so quiet in here. So unbelievably quiet. Oh, sorry, I know it's bright.
What? Yeah.
All right, cool. Well, let's explore some more, shall we? Out we go. Gotta watch where I step here because I know there's a place. There we go. Oh, yep. And there's the entrance. We're gonna walk a little ways here, and we're actually gonna go up on top. And there's an overlook up there where we can look down on the falls. And then come around to the other side and check out some caves on the other side. We are in another little cave here, and it's just goes basically to right there. But we were in here, and an elderly, well, not elderly, well, gentleman, we didn't know, behind us all of a sudden went, "Arr," and it sounded like it was coming from back here. And I thought, oh my goodness, there's an animal, wild animal in here. And we were backing out so fast.
And Paul almost knocked me over trying to get out.
Almost. And well, I was trying to protect Nancy from whatever was in here, but
it was behind us.
But it was behind us, and oh my goodness, my heart was racing, and oh, that was so funny. Now we gotta climb some stairs. So this little narrow thing here is the overlook. And that's a sight right there, let me tell you. That is beautiful. So we are at the top of the falls. There's where the water goes over. Right there. You can see people, I can see people down below. So that's where the water goes over. And the water comes pouring down this beautiful little mountain stream here. So here we're crossing the first waterfall. Here is another one. The water pours down there. It actually looks like it branches off from that main one there. And then heads down that way. All right, so that's the middle. Let's walk on over this way. And I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to read up on the history of what that is. But there is a diversion pipe, it looks like here. It comes off, and that sends more water down that way. And it's coming through this diversion pipe. And like I said, I'm not sure exactly what this structure here is, but there is a storyboard over here, so let's see what that says. I would like to see what it says, but as you can see, it's pretty well worn out from the sun. But you can see how the water looks like comes over this way. There's a grating there. I'm not sure what that's for. And it looks like there's more stuff up there. I wonder if this used to be part of like mining or something. Extracting minerals from the water or something. But that's all back up there. Then the water flows right on down this way. It is like a tropical forest up here with all of this water. And I see some pretty yellow flowers out there. But then we get back out here in these open fields once we get away from the water. And we're going to make our way down to the other side of the falls. Nancy says she hadn't got her feet wet yet, so she decided to get her feet wet. Oh, and she says it's cold. Me? Nah, that's okay. Let's walk on down this way. And I see some caves down here. There's an opening there.
It's too low.
Yeah.
Look in here.
Whew. Cool. It goes way up. And then this goes over this way. All right, let's see what's back here. Well, gotta wait for Nancy with the flashlight, but boy, it is cool back here. Very cool, temperature-wise. Definitely can't see back in there.
I can't climb up this one.
So I came up there. Let's see. Boy, it is cool back here. Cold. I'm taking my time back here. This rock is really slick. You can see how shiny it is. And that room there, you can look back in there. It is huge. It has a big, tall ceiling there. But I don't want to go any further. It's too slippery. This rock, you can see the light reflecting on it. But and I can feel my feet slipping underneath me. But that has a huge ceiling back there on that one. So let me make my way back down here. But yeah, if not for the slippery rock, I would head on up there.
I think it kind of ends. Step right here, right? Duck because of that. Don't hit yourself on that.
Yeah.
Here, you take the light.
Wow. That's tall too. Well, kind of. But that goes back that way. That's pretty cool. And we have made the loop. We are now on the other side of Rifle Falls. And you can see, there's Nancy over there on the right. But how powerful the water is coming off those falls. When you're close to it, you can feel it sort of hitting you in the chest. So I'm going to walk up a little closer. I know I'm going to get wet, but here we go. Let's walk up here and see see what we can see to get right up close to it here. And you can see the algae that's growing there, and the way the water flows down amongst those reeds and grasses. And up there's the overlook that we were at, one of the overlooks.